Gold, after dropping yesterday till 1914 levels, have retraced again till towards 1920 to 23 zone, the critical resistance levels, as we discussed in our Asia session update. At the same time, silver is struggling to stay above 2280 now. So what to expect today? Not only with the US session, but most important, the CPI data, which is going to come in next some time. Definitely it will bring volatility, and which direction it's gonna go, what can be expected out of gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you appreciate the effort, do press the like button, do comment as well, as all your every like and every comment is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently twice a day, every day. Also do share and subscribe and press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver, to watch till the end. And yes, you can stay updated with the analysis by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at gold on the hourly charts. You can clearly see it is still staying within this bearish channel. I am just trying to zoom out a bit, and you can find out the resistance zone at 2426 is going to be a stronger one. And once it stays above 1932, that is a time where little more recovery can be expected, and from above 1932 is the place where the bulls will try to take over. Now let's have a closer look here. See, consolidation here in this zone between 16 to 18. Greater resistance was seen on the hourly charts, and since then it has tried to give a breakout. It is trying to stay bullish. Also, if you look at, see, consistently higher lows, higher highs are seen, and now we are looking forward to this zone, that is 24 to 26. Only and only if it stays above 26, we can say further bullishness may prevail, which might take the prices till towards 1932 level. Also, if you look at, this is trading outside Bollinger Bands now, the movement is going to be sharper such that the Bollinger Bandwidth gets expanded on the either which ways, whichever direction it wants to. So one thing is very clear, till 1932 it is still to be considered in a retracement zone, not a reversal levels. Now if you look at, the moving averages have started to converge. This is a bullish sign. The stochastic has come to overbought levels on the hourly charts, while the MACD has also crossed over, traded with divergence, and has achieved the peak, it appears. Now this is what we had discussed, that possibly it could try to. Now one more thing you should note here on the hourly chart, see, now MACD is trying to look upwards. It has breached this channel in which it was trying to trade. It is trying to look upwards consistently, so possibly more bullishness may prevail. RSI has also retraced a bit. Coming to 2-hour charts, now similar is the observation. Drop, sharp drop. See, the retracement is moderate here. Yes, the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. It has converged till towards the 20 period moving average, now trying to look downwards. I will definitely watch out for how it behaves at around 1914 levels. Only sell entries below 1914, below which you can expect there could be further bearishness. If you look at stochastic, this is retraced still towards the overbought zone. The MACD is still divergent. It is bullish and it has just crossed over. You can see this crossover coming at a lower levels. Whenever we have seen such crossover in the past, it has seen a good rise, and now again it has hit the bottom, trying to retrace. Let's see if it continues with this bullish movement. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone, oversold zone. Coming to 3-hour, now see, on the 3-hour charts, first of all, look at these two candles, almost forming the base here. Then it has almost breached the resistance, and since then traded bullish. Hence, there is still bullishness. Also, if you connect the dots here, you will find till 1918, it has got very good support. Below that, it may try to pull a little more bearishness, which can bring the prices little down. However, a sell entry is only below 1914. That is very clear. Now on the upside, the 20 period moving average on the 3-hour chart is situated at around 24, and this 24 to 26 is itself a great resistance here. So possibly beyond 26 is where little more bullishness might take it till towards 30-32, and if it stays above 32 is where the bulls will try to take over. Now next observation here is the stochastic has retraced, that it has come towards the overbought zone. See, the variance is still falling short of, so possibly it could try to stay in the overbought zone for a while. Now look at MACD. This is also crossing over, just crossing over here. We have seen just one green candle. Possibly this candle may continue with the bullish momentum and diverge a little. Now if you look, see, trace the movement here. One wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, And now almost see it is formed, the bottom, double bottom is done, and the greener side of this wave is about to start. So I will be definitely looking forward to it on the upside if it continues with the divergence. RSI has also come out of the oversold zone, coming to on the 4-hour chart. The prices are still divergent from the moving average. There is a possibility for it to converge. Yes, you can see beautiful, see reversal sign, then beautiful steps are formed. However, the bullishness here, see, ideally if to have been bullish, it should have given symmetrical candles, but you can see it is almost half the size. So possibly this level is going to be critical for gold to break past by, and hence 1932 you should look forward to. Beyond that 3640 and then 1950. Beyond 1950, sky is the limit. Only above 1950 further stronger bullish momentum will be seen. Stochastic rising here, MACD willing to converge, crossover for a buy. It has almost hit a double bottom here again, and this is coming after, see, this wave is done, it has formed double bottom, so possibly this could call for a reversal. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the day, if you look at daily chart, see what has happened yesterday. See, first a pullback, then a sharp drop. Now the same is getting reflected here. It is trying to pull back, and even it can reverse till towards 1932. It can reverse again on the downside. The longer the tail, the sharper the body, or the bigger the body will be on the downside. Also, one must remember it is almost at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and taking the support from the 200 period moving average. Now prices are divergent from the 20-50-100 period moving average, which are situated at around 1945-46 levels, and then 1950 is the ultimate resistance here. Also, if you look at the daily charts, see, these levels are very important what it has achieved here. If you look at, see, previous consolidation zone was this 1910 to 1925. It has again fallen back within the zone and now trying to bounce back, so this could be a possible double bottom. Also, if you look at, see the rise here, then this bearish channel, and if it gives a breakout, this is going to be a sharp one. Hence, as I said, any move above 1950 levels should try to bring more bullishness, and possibly it can try to retrace in fact till towards 1960-65 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish on the daily charts. RSI is almost hitting the bottom here. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell gold today at 1914 levels. Be careful of 1908 and 1910 first support levels, then 1900 the next support level. 1900, 1895, 1891. Only if you see gold trading below 1891, we can say that it is going to crash in the near future, where we can see, look forward to 1870, 1840 levels and 1800 levels also. But it has to stay below 1891 levels. On the upside, you can buy here at 1924-26 levels and expect 1932 to be breached. The safer entry should be 1930, beyond which the bulls will take over. Remember, we have seen 3 red candles in series, so possibly a greener candle can be expected. Today already it is green. Also note that it is breached past greater than 50% of the complete move, and once it stays above this, this will call for the further bullishness here in gold. Hence, above 24-26 zone, you can stay long for 30-32, then 36 and 40 levels. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness is going to prevail. Any move above 1950, just stay long, take a positional entry. We are going to look forward to 65, 73, 85 and then 2000 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now silver on the hourly charts consolidated for long here at 2260, 2270 levels. Now it has seen a rise. However, it's still giving lower highs. Lower highs, flat bottom. Also, if you look at, it has formed a pole and it has formed a flag. And hence, once it stays above 2290, you can buy here at 2290 itself. Expect 2320 levels to be seen. 2310, 2320 is now going to be the milestone which silver needs to breach pass by. Any move about 2320 is a good bullish signal. We are going to look at 2350 and plus levels. Now see, moving averages are trading with so much of divergence that it calls for a probability for it to converge crossover for buy. Stochastic near to top, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 hours, Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, consolidation is seen here. First of all, it is very clear a sell entry below 2260. However, 2250 and 2240 are two very important support levels for silver. Only if it breaks below 2240, you can say that the bears are back here in silver and it is going to stay for more bearish buys. And if you look at on the upside, I will now recommend you to buy here at 2290. Now 2290 is this is the price which should be above 2290. That is the selling price, which is excludes the spread out there. So yes, above 2290 you can buy and expect it to rise for 2320 levels. 2320 is a greater resistance. Beyond that, it is should be treated for a reversal till towards 2240-60 zone. Stochastic has retraced. The MACD is divergent, bullish, looking upwards after forming the double bottom. Also, if you look at the 2-hour chart, silver has also seen good enough waves. Now, the angle is changed suddenly and you can see it can probably rise from here. RSI coming out of the oversold zone and trading at comfortable levels. Coming to, if you look at 3-hour charts here, see one bullish candle, couple of retracement candles, and only sell entry I will confirm is below 2260 level. Till 2260 do not sell silver here. On the upside, 20 period moving average sitting at around 2287 levels. That is why I say about 2290 you can buy and expect and confirm that this is trying to reverse. Stochastic is rising, MACD is divergent, bullish, and see this crossover is also coming at a bottom levels, hence it could try to show a pullback. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. And on the 4 hour, now on the 4-hour charts, the previous two candles were with increasing body size, and you can see the 20 period sitting at 2290 levels. Very good resistance till 23 exists, and you can also see higher lows, higher highs. So this is the zone above which more bullishness may prevail, that is about 2290 levels, and in fact about 23 certainly little more bullishness may be seen. However, 2320 is the critical level. It needs to pass by. Beyond that, only further confirmation of the rise will be seen. 2320, if it passes by, certainly you can say we can remain 70 to 80% bullish from there. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence and bullishness looking upwards, and this crossover is also coming after a long bearish move. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts. You observe these three candles consistently red and with diminishing body size. This suggests that the bearishness has diminished here. Also, the previous candle was outside, almost all the three candles were outside Bollinger Bands, and hence now it is trying to reverse. And if it continues to reverse from here, how far it can stretch, one can look forward to this zone 20 period, 200 period moving average sitting at around 2330, and then all the moving averages which are coming at around 23. 60s 2380 zone. Very good resistance exists there. Yes, and the possibility to retrace also exists till there. Now if you look at the daily charts, also one must observe, see, this was the previous consolidation zone before the breakout. Then after the breakout, now it has erased all the gains here. After erasing the gains, it is still trying to trade in this bearish channel. See, it has hit the bottom. Now it can try to hit the top, which is right now situated at around 2360 2380 levels. Stochastic is oversold on the daily charts. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. It can probably converge from here, and RSI is at bottom. Looking at this, it appears that silver might show you a rise, and hence you can buy 2290, but then be careful till 2320. Till 2320, we can say that it is 50-50. It is neither bullish nor bearish, and it can take either which ways. Above 2320, the probability on the buy side will remain continue, and it is going to strengthen further, which might lift the prices till towards 2350, 2360, and in fact 2380 levels. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken here at 2260, but then till 2240 levels, do not treat this as bearish. It can bounce back. Below 2240 is where the bears will take over for 2220, 21 and 2220, 22, and further lower levels till towards 2150 will be seen in the near term trading session. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.